Hindi ko alam kung anong ginawa ng mga yun eh.
Ano yung message mo?
Ano yun? Ganun ka ba?
Nasabi lang sa akin na
Ano po kung ano yung message na natanggap nila? Paki-translate po ano po yung message na natanggap mo.
parang basketball.
Basketball. What team? Ano po yung message na natanggap mo? Ricky, ano yung message na natanggap mo? Paki-translate.
Paano? Paano pa?
Bible? Oh.
Like small slingshot David and then get hit in the head.
Ah, Gulayat. Ganun. Mali lang.
Yung trial po yung kanina yung basketball, no? Pila kayo show us what message you sent kasi ang tagal nyo eh.
Very literal. I did two people and then a girl. No, it's not me. I did the Bible. And then she was like, oh, praying together. And I was like, oh. And then I didn't even get to finish. I was going to do the second person and then like talk about Goliath. But then we never got that far.
That's where the murmur came from.